Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Dyson HD01 isn't charging, you might be feeling frustrated. This issue typically arises due to a faulty charging cable or internal component failure. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more severe problems, ultimately leaving you with a device that won't function at all. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement charging cable, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged from the wall. Begin by using the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once you have the casing open, you will need to locate the charging port. This is where the problem usually lies, as the internal connections can become loose or damaged. Carefully inspect the charging port for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you find that the port is indeed faulty, you will need to remove it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws securing the port in place. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. When you have removed the charging port, gently disconnect the wires attached to it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement charging port and connect the wires securely. Ensure that the connections are tight and that there is no exposed wire. Once you have secured the connections, attach the new port with the screws you saved earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws to avoid any misalignment later. Next, carefully reattach the casing of your Dyson HD01, ensuring that all clips are fastened securely. Once reassembled, plug in your Dyson and check if it charges as expected. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you're using the original charging cable and avoid pulling on the wire when unplugging. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear and replace it if necessary. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.